Tired of those annoying bumps after waxing? You might think ingrown hairs are just part of the process, but they're actually not normal at all. If you're frustrated looking at your skin in the mirror, it's time to realize that smooth, bump-free results are totally achievable. The secret isn't in the wax itself, but in how you treat your skin before and after your appointment. The biggest mistake: skipping exfoliation. Dead skin cells act like a barrier, trapping new hair growth beneath the surface. When hair can't break through, it curls back down, causing that familiar irritation, redness, and painful bumps. To fix this, start your prep 24 to 48 hours before your wax. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub to clear the path for the hair. On the day of your wax, keep your skin clean and dry. Avoid any oils or lotions so the wax can get a firm grip on the hair. After waxing, give your skin space to heal. Avoid intense heat, heavy sweat, and tight clothing for at least 24 hours. Wait 2 days, then start moisturizing with a lightweight lotion and resume gentle exfoliation to keep the follicles open. Follow this simple routine, and you'll finally get the smooth, glowing skin you've always wanted. No more bumps, just confidence.